Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to take you through the various panels in the Process Studio that help you carry out the various operations. To begin with, we have the canvas that you can see here. Now this is where the ready adapters and connectors are dragged and dropped in order to build your business processes for the purpose of automation. Towards the left hand side, we have the Project Explorer panel from where you can access all your workflows and projects and processes and all the relevant files. We have the Shared Workflow panel from where you can access the shared workflows that are shared with the user. We have the Designer panel from where we can view the workflow details. And the second window is a Design window. In the Design window, you can access the various adapters and the connectors to the various target systems, which are then dragged and dropped to design the business processes. Towards the right hand side, we have the Debug panel from where you can configure the breakpoints, configure the watch variables and the watch fields. In addition to it, we have the Search panel to search for parameters across your workspace. We also have the Sync panel to sync plugins and to sync the shared workflows. Now when we sync the shared workflows, in case there are any changes in the shared workflows, they will all come down here in the form of a list. Now all of these panels are collapsible so that you get a better view of the canvas while designing your processes. Towards the bottom of the screen, you have the info bar, which will give you a quick sneak into the dynamic contents while activities are being performed on the Process Studio. Now we'll be covering all of these panels in detail in our next set of videos. That is all from this video. Thank you.